Most men don't notice hair loss until it's already obvious. Hindi mo siya agad mapapansin kasi okay pa tingnan and then one day the hair starts to thin na. Hi guys, this is Jarom of Explore Manila and one of the things he really takes good care of is his hair. Si Jarom ganun din. Okay pa hair niya ngayon, wala pang thinning pero since lagi siyang nasa harap ng camera, doing vlogs, enjoying life, and staying active, he tries to maintain his appearance and may family history sila ng pagkakalbo later in life and we didn't want to wait for that point. So we started paying attention earlier. We've been using Zenith Advanced Hair Density Spray and what I like about it is hindi siya drastic. Hindi siya yung parang kailangan mong mag-adjust ng lifestyle or mag-worry about side effects. For everyday hair fall, yung naglalagas for normal washing or styling, it focuses on strengthening the hair strand itself. May biotin to support the structure, batana oil to help repair weak areas, and castor oil so that the hair stays flexible instead of snapping. For the crown area, which is usually where men start to thin, it uses rosemary oil, Copixil, and biotin. Rosemary helps with blood flow, Copixil keeps the hair more anchored, and biotin supports thicker, stronger growth. Hindi naman ito about may problem na. It's more about maintenance, especially for someone like Jarom na need nakastyle yung hair lagi. Mas okay na inaalagaan na habang mas maaga pa. An additional step to his everyday routine, that will be better for the long run. You keep your hair healthy now para hindi ka naghahabol later. Until our next hair tip or our next adulting story. Bye!